Punta na kami sa lake. We are crossing there or we'll go into the car? Yeah, I want to feed the birds. Pupunta kami dyan. Kukunin lang namin yung binili niyang pang feed ng mga ibon. Nandito na kami sa lakes, guys.
Look, Mr. Swan.
Yan ang swan. Yan. Tignan nyo, oh.
Sinking cup for you. Alright.
Put it here. Yeah. Yeah, put it there, darling. Yeah. They are coming. Why he's so angry with that?
Because he's the bossy one.
Yeah. 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 Give me one. Hello. Hello, girl. Hello, girl. Girl. Hello. Come here. Come here. Come here. He doesn't like. He is. He is. This
Bossy.
guy doesn't like it.
Yeah. No, it sinks. It sinks. Don't put it in the water. It just sinks straight away. It's heavy birdseed. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, we go to the other place.
You can hand feed him. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, good girl.
Yeah.
You want more? Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. How about this one?
There's no seagull. They don't feed seagull.
To let others eat. That's my darling. Feeding. Tingnan nyo, oh. Tim is feeding that seagull. Oh, the other one coming, darling. She chased it away. Why? Bad bird. Katatapos lang namin nag-feed ng ibang birds. So, yan. Pakita ko lang sa inyo, guys. Tingnan nyo yung lakes. Ito yung lakes. Tapos, ito naman yung sa, yung daan, yung likod niya. Ang daming halaman. Makikita nyo naman. Ang ganda. Ganda talaga dito. Mamiss ka talaga na tingnan, makikita nyo yung mga puti na yon. Ano yan? Yung what the name of that bird?
What, the swans?
No, the white one.
The seagull.
Seagull, yeah.
Oh, behind us.
Yeah, yung sa likod ko. Takot kasi sila sa mga tao pag nandyan, kaya hindi mo sila makuhanan ng video na kasi nga lumilipad sila. And seagulls, guys. Seagull. And yeah. Yan, binibigyan ni Tim ng mga pagkain nila. Yan. Hindi lang talaga sila friendly. Kung may pagkain ka lang yan. Nanunuka sila kasi. Ayan. May swan. Yan. Wow. They're afraid. They're running away. Yeah. That's good, darling. I want to see close up. Okay, feed them.
Okay.
Yeah. Tingnan nyo, guys, si Tim pinapakain niya yung yung swan. Tsaka ang dami nila, oh. Tingnan nyo, oh. They are coming! Yay! They are coming! Tingnan nyo, oh. Friendly sila. Wild bird sila, guys. Dito lang talaga sila nakatira sa lakes. Tapos, yung mga tao na naglalakad dito sa lake o nagbibisita, magdala ka ng pagkain, tapos lalapitan ka nila. Ayan. Me too, I want.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. You get your hand down lower. Get that hand down lower. Your hand needs to be lower near the water because they can't see it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
He doesn't afraid of me.
No, because the others are all coming. Yeah, 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 yeah,
Yeah, good job.
yeah.
Look.
Yeah, they're all being. It says I'm the boss. I'm the big boss. Mm.
Not my head. Yes, good job. Yeah. Okay, come on.
No, put some more in your hand. There's not enough there. They're a visual feeder. Yeah,
My hand, Iggy.
yeah. Move over to the other one. Yeah, that one. Come over. Mm. And this one? Let's look at this one.
You are so. Come on, girl, come on. Quickly, as long as the other one will not come. Hala, come.
Yeah.
She is bossy, this one, this
Yeah.
guy.
Mm.
He doesn't like to let the others.
Mm.
Good job. Not my hand. That's my hand. Eating my hand. Come on.
No, yeah.
Yela, we go that side. Come on. Quickly, come. Yeah, good job. Yela. Not my hand yung idiot. You are biting my hand. Alas, enough.
Mm.
Lagay si Tim ng pagkain sa tubig. Talang dinadagsa nila. Gusto nila yung binibigyan sila ng pagkain. I don't see any baby signal today. Oh, the duck coming. Yeah, good job. Mila, come to share the food. Yeah.
They're a bit more airy. They're not quite as silent.
Yeah, I think they are afraid with this one anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are famous now in my YouTube. This is the normal duck. This is the wood duck. Are they this one the wood duck?
Yes, the wood duck.
Yeah, two of them. There's another one. Yeah. Hello, girl. There is no food. Already finished. Ubus na. Sorry, guys. Ubus na. Ayan. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, good job, darling. Yeah. Tingnan nyo, tuwang-tuwa sila sa pagkain. Tuwang-tuwa talaga sila sa pagkain, guys.
I'll give the rest of the seed to the...
Naglalakad na kami papunta sa shade, guys. Kasi nga, mainit. Ang init, naglalakad kami. Mainit na. Mainit na. We're in the shade. Yeah. Tingnan nyo. Pagka weekend, maraming tao rito pumupunta. Kasi nga, ito yung pasyalan ng mga malapit lang kasi sa city. Pwede mong lakarin. Kaya, maganda pumunta rito, mag-relax. Ganda. Ay. Ayaw niya talaga ng camera. Pinapagalitan niya ako talaga pagka sinasama ko siya sa video. Ayaw niya. Killjoy. Ang killjoy niya. Lalakad na kami doon, papunta ng car. Kasi pauwi na kami. What time is it, darling?
20 past 4.
20 past 4. Are we going?
Yeah, gotta get bunnies.
Okay, we're going shopping. Okay, guys. na kami ng car. Naglalakad na kami papunta ng car. Yes. Kaya, bye for now.